Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make Hasselback potatoes. Hasselback potatoes are so easy to make and they are so fun. You need to clean your potatoes with water and pat them dry. Next, you're going to need 2 wooden spoons, okay, because you're going to slice your potatoes. These 2 wooden spoons will serve as a barrier just so that you don't cut completely to the bottom. So once you have placed your potato in between the 2 spatula, you need a sharp knife, and then you just go ahead and slice your potato down and stop where the spoon stop. Just go ahead and make another slit. Just make sure each of the slits are far away from each other, just a little bit, just like so. So now you can see the slits did not reach the bottom of the potato, okay, they are still attached to each other. What I usually do is to pick a grain or 2 grains of rice and stuff it in between the slits. This will help keep each of the slits apart. Okay, this is just a little trick and you can try this out, but this is optional as well. So you can see the slits are already parted, and then I'll go ahead and do the same process for the remaining potatoes. Now our potatoes are beautifully slitted. Next, we are going to melt 3 tablespoons of butter on the stove top. Next, we are going to mix the melted butter together with the spices that I have in this bowl. So I have got some thyme, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and chili powder. I'm using half teaspoon each, and then I'll bring in the melted butter. Add in 3 tablespoons of cooking oil or olive oil. And I'm just going to toss this together with my pastry brush. Now line each of the potatoes on your baking tray, line with a parchment paper. Now use your oil mixture and brush all over the surface of the potatoes, and also make sure this goes into the slits. So you can gently open each of the slits and make sure the oil goes in as well. Once you're done, you can sprinkle the surface with some black pepper or with more spice. Meanwhile, you should preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit while you're doing this, and then pop this into the oven and bake for 30 minutes. So guys, 30 minutes later, you need to check on your potatoes. So at this point, they are beginning to brown on the surface, so you can take some of the remaining butter mix and brush on the surface again. Or if you like, you can use a spoon to scoop this extra oil that dripped down from the potatoes and still cover it all. And if you like, you can still top this up again with some dried herbs. So I'm using rosemary this time. You can use any other herbs of your choice. Take it back to the oven and bake for another 30 minutes until the potatoes are all brown and soft. So guys, 30 minutes later, your potatoes should be brown and crispy just like this one, and if they aren't soft yet, you can just give your potatoes a few times to cook in the oven. Let's say 10 to 15 minutes more, especially if the potatoes are really large. So at this point, our Hasselback potatoes are ready. The best way to enjoy your Hasselback potatoes is to garnish them with some greenish herbs. So I'll just go ahead and garnish these with some freshly chopped parsley, just like so. Guys, it was so fun making these Hasselback potatoes. It is crispy on the outside and buttery on the inside. I really love this, and I hope you love this too. If you did love this video, please give me a thumbs up, and also you can share this video with your friends. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and click on the bell button just so that you don't miss any video. Thank you guys for watching. I'd love to see you very soon. Enjoy.